We're doing a tank replacement today, and we have found that the old tank concrete is crumbling in it. There's no repair that we can do on it, so we are having to replace the concrete tank with a 1,000 gallon poly tank. We come in and we find the old tank. We will pump it out. Collapse the old tank. And fill it in with rocks and gravel and dirt. We dig the new tank's hole, place the 1,000 gallon plastic tank inside the hole. After the new tank is in the ground, we will replumb the inlet from your house to the outlet and the outlet of your tank to the lateral field. And then we'll cover that back up. Dress the ground and make it look good.